In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group sales taxes by account type in Xero. If you've ever struggled to understand where your sales tax is coming from, or which parts of your business are driving it, grouping by account type gives you a clear, structured view. It organizes totals by categories like revenue and expenses, so you can quickly validate what you owe and spot anything that looks out of place. Start by signing into your Xero account and make sure you're working in the correct organization. From the main navigation, head to reporting. This area houses all of Xero's financial reports, and it's where you'll find the tools you need for tax analysis. Open the sales tax report. This report consolidates tax you've collected and paid for the period you're reviewing, which is essential for accurate filings and internal reviews. On the report, make sure you're on the Sales Tax Summary tab. This tab is designed for high-level validation and is the best place to see totals roll up cleanly. Before you change the layout, take a quick look at the period shown at the top, so your totals reflect the time frame you want to analyze. Next, enable the option labeled Show by Account Type. This tells Xero to reorganize the summary so that tax amounts are grouped under each account type, making the relationships between your chart of accounts and tax totals obvious. After turning that on, click Update to apply the change. You'll now see the report reorganize into sections by account type. Walk through each section and note how Xero lists the relevant accounts beneath it, along with taxable amounts and the associated tax. This structure helps you confirm that sales and income are being taxed as intended, and that purchases or expenses carrying tax are coded to the right places. Analyze the tax totals by account type with an eye for consistency. Compare what you see to your expectations for the period. If revenue shows a sharp increase in taxable amounts, confirm it aligns with actual sales activity. If an expense category unexpectedly carries significant tax, that may signal a coding error or a vendor tax issue worth reviewing. Pay attention to categories that should be exempt or zero-rated. They should behave accordingly in the summary. Finally, take a moment to review the updated sales tax summary as a whole. Confirm that the totals, by rate and overall, line up with what you plan to file, and note any sections that need follow-up. By grouping sales taxes by account type in Xero, you'll produce clearer, more reliable tax reporting and make reconciliation faster and more precise.